Hi, my name's Jas, and this is a direct message from your Top Hat support team. In this brief video demonstration, I'll be walking you through what you can expect as you navigate through this textbook via the Top Hat platform. The three areas that will be covered are the general layout of the course, how you can contact Top Hat support, and how you can access some useful study tools. Once you have successfully logged into your Top Hat account, outlined at the top, you'll be able to see the title of the textbook. And you'll be able to see this 6-digit join code. Now, this 6-digit join code specifically references this exact textbook and is important to refer to whenever contacting Top Hat support. Over on the right hand side, by clicking this question mark, is where you will have access to contact a support member. By clicking this help and support page, you'll be able to reach our archived articles and frequently asked questions. You can also access live chat, where you will be able to speak to a Top Hat representative in real time. Bringing your attention to the left hand side, you will be able to see all of the content within this textbook is housed under this content tree. You will see various icons such as reading pages and chapter folders. Any of the content that is clicked on the left hand side will ultimately be displayed in a full screen on the right hand side. As I go ahead and expand these chapter folders, you'll be able to see the subsequent reading pages. And as I continue to expand multiple chapter folders, you'll be able to see a familiar format repeated throughout. As I click into a reading page, you could navigate over to the right and toggle this into full screen mode. You'll be able to access this display not only on your computers, but also your laptops, your tablets, your iPads, and your cell phones, as the Top Hat platform is 100% tech agnostic. You'll see that each chapter contains very clear contents, very clear learning goals, and very clear introduction, giving you a good idea of what you can expect when working through this chapter. You'll notice that the information is broken down into small bite-sized chunks to enable you to digest and critically learn the information at your own pace. You'll have access to images, figures, tables, and data, which you will also be able to toggle into full screen. As you work through the chapter, you will come across multiple multimedia and areas of interaction, including these rollover definitions. As you continue to work through the chapter, you'll notice that some chapters include checkpoint questions, with the same idea to support you as you work through the content at your own pace, digest the information, think critically, and test your understanding through these low stakes questions. You will have access to hints and also explanations. Towards the end of these reading pages, you'll find 10 written summary questions to review, along with key terms. As you work through the reading pages, you'll be able to highlight text just as you would in a normal textbook. You will also be able to highlight text and create your own notes. For example, you could write, "Save this for the test," and click save. Over on the right hand side, you'll be able to expand that notebook, which will be very helpful for you to revisit in your own time. You will also have access to our Ask AI tool. This is known as our Ask Ace Buddy, where you'll be able to simplify language, show you examples, and even quiz you further on the concepts covered within this chapter. One of the great benefits of using our ACE AI tool is that it communicates with you in a more human, conversational way and consistently puts you towards the relevant content within the page, rather than pulling in outside information that can distract or even overcomplicate what you are learning. You'll be able to access these learning tools either by highlighting specific texts or navigating through the icons on the right hand side. You will further see reading pages in the form of case studies, allowing you to apply your knowledge in the form of long answer questions. If you have any questions, feel free to write to support@tophat.com. I look forward to hearing about your success. Good luck and happy learning.